What's up, me? Now, I know you're going to forget about this video. It is currently October 4th, 2015.
October 4th, 2015, he made this video and he said he's going to publish after 2 years. Now that's what he did. And in this video, he hoped he could get around 100,000 subscribers during these 2 years. Now this video was published on October 5th, 2017, exactly after 2 years of recording. Exactly after 1 year of he recording the video, on October 11, 2016, he got his silver play button. Right? Now, did this legend know that he is going to be such a massive YouTuber? Let's do the complete case study of the highest earning YouTube star, MrBeast YouTube channel. Now, before that, let's understand some important data from his channel. With over 114 million subscribers to his channel, he has been the highest earning YouTube star in 2021, MrBeast, with $54 million. Now, if you are thinking about how much it is in Indian rupees, it's more than 400 crores in a year what he earned. It is the only YouTube channel which has been getting more than 50 million views on every video that has been posted in the last 12 months. So 62 million views, 89 million views, 74 million views, right? 97 million views, 100 million views, 150 million views, 300 million views. Today, we are going to do the complete case study of this channel. Now, he has mastered YouTube algorithm. In this video, I am going to share 4 powerful things that we can understand on how or what strategies he's been using to grow his channel massive. So, let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. Number 1, he creates content which involves challenges, money, and sometimes famous YouTubers as well. Let's take for an example. If you see the recent video, last to take hand of jet keeps it. In this video, he is literally giving a $2.5 million private jet for the person who is going to take his hand last. And in this video, there are around 11 famous YouTubers as well. Now, who have around 15 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers, 1 million subscribers, or more than that, right? Now, what happens is, since he also has the famous YouTubers, they have their own audience who would also be interested to watch this video. Now, it also involves $2.5 million private jet. Now, that's again a curiosity to see who is going to win that, right? So, it's purely based on challenges, money, and at times famous YouTubers as well. Now, see the second one, right? $1 to $1 million hotel room. In this video, he is actually traveling around multiple countries and sharing the experience of staying in that kind of hotels, right? Again, survive 100 days in a circle and win $500,000. He's literally giving that amount to the winner. There is one person who has chosen, right? Now, all his content are basically on challenges, which involves money, and at times famous YouTubers as well. So these are the key things that the channel has been running. Now, that's the first strategy that he is using. Let's understand the second most important thing. For anyone to succeed on YouTube, there are 2 most important things that matters the most. One is CTR, that is click-through rate, and second is audience retention. Now, CTR is a combination of 2 important things. One is the title and second is the thumbnail. Now, seeing the title, right? So you see this. Let's first talk about the title. Last to take hand of jet keeps it. His titles are always short. It's not very elaborative, okay? So it's short, at the same time, it pulls the audience interest to watch just to see what is going to happen. Now, say for example, in this, last to take hand of jet keeps it. Now I'm curious to know, okay, who is going to win that? Okay. Again, $1 versus $1 million hotel room, right? Now I want to see which is that $1 hotel room and which are the rooms that are available for $1 million, right? Again, interest based. Survive 100 days challenge in a circle and win $500,000. Now, what happens in the 100 days? Again, that grabs the interest, or how somebody is going to survive drags the interest, right? Now, all these titles have been written in such a way that it certainly grabs audience attention and brings that interest for them to watch. That's how titles have been designed. And again, the titles are short so that it can come great on cell phones and on laptop, right? So it does not look too long or too messy as well. So that's something that he clearly follows. Now let's come to the second most important thing, which is important in getting great click-through rate. That's the thumbnail. Now see the thumbnail, right? If you observe the first one, it just gives the indication that, okay, there are people who are keeping their hands on the jet, and the title also says the same thing, right? Very simple and not too complicated. Second one, right? Just giving how the lifestyle would be between $1 to $1 million hotel room. So he has highlighted something related to $1 million here. Survive 100 days in a circle. A very simple thumbnail, right? Where you can see he just posted in that circle with himself with the torn t-shirt, right? Which again grabs the attention. What it gives an indication for the audience, something like where it might be very challenging to survive, right? So it's simple, right? Not very complicated or not something very fancy. So that's how he always tried to keep his thumbnails simple with not too much of text. Okay, so see, day 20 or something like this. All his thumbnails are simple, which just grab the attention that is required for audience to watch it. Now, because of this, he has very high click-through rate. Now let's move to the next one, audience retention. Only with high CTR and good audience retention, a video can go viral. So let's understand how he maintains that high audience retention as well. Okay, so let's quickly say this. Okay, what he has done. If I just open this video, so let's see how exactly he starts as well.
I spent $2.5 million on this private jet and had 11 YouTubers put their hands on it. Whoever keeps their hand on the longest wins the private jet.
He starts his video with very high energy and with a great powerful hook that is going to give the right information for the audience on what they can expect. Now, if you see this video, right, in this video, he's clearly saying he has bought a $2.5 million private jet, and the person who keeps the hand for the longest is going to be the winner. A clear expectation has been set on what they can expect, and he straight away jumps to the content. You don't see any fancy intro or fancy outro, right? Now that's the beauty of it, where he has high audience retention from the first second itself, right? Now let's understand more. Now in between, he also brings in a kind of entertainment by asking some questions and things like that. And there is always a fun element that is there, okay? Now just check this, how exactly he also creates that high engagement in between the video as well.
Yeah. Yep. Oh my God!
Right? So his entire video has been planned in such a way that where there is entertainment, there is suspense, right? And till the end, the surprise is never revealed. So the moment you start watching his video, you are in such a way that, okay, you are addicted to watch his video completely. That's the beauty of it. And only towards the end, you get to know who is actually going to be the winner. So see, that's the beauty of it. And that's how he has been creating that high engaging content. Now let's understand from one another video on how exactly he is having that great audience engagement. Now in this case, let's take for an example of survive 100 days in a circle, right? So who's going to win around $500,000. So he has chosen one of his subscriber, and he is the one who is participating. If he steps on that circle, or if he comes out of the circle, he's going to lose the game. Now to help him, he's also getting a home to stay there with a decent amount of groceries, not so sufficient as well, right? Initially, it all looks very easy. But as the day keeps on moving, he creates more and more challenge for him, right? So if you could see, right, there is a point where like he literally rips the house into two parts, roughly around day 91 or something, right? Now, not just that, he even smashes the home into pieces, making it more challenging and challenging. Now, what does this do? This just makes sure that, okay, there is high audience engagement or retention, right? Now, because of this, his videos go massively viral. And one more thing to understand here, he over delivers. The title just says survive 100 days in a circle. But if you start watching the video, there are a lot of challenges, there is a lot of fun, right? Over delivering than what he is showing on the thumbnail and the title. Because of which, there is high audience retention as well. Okay, now let's move to the last one. As part of audience engagement, his clear intention is to just make sure the audience are going to watch the video. Now, if you just scroll down and come to the comment section, you'd see in most of the videos, this is something that he does. Stop scrolling and watch the video. You want to see the 1 million night hotel at the end, right? Correct. Now that has around 122,000 likes, correct? Now it's a similar kind of thing that he does on most of the videos. If you go to this video and scroll down, right, you'll be seeing something similar here. Please watch the whole video. The ending has a crazy plot twist, and there is actually a twist in the end of the video, right? So that's how he majorly focuses on audience engagement and making sure the views audience are connected to the video. Okay. Now coming to the most crucial thing, the last one. Now here is the most important one. He focuses on quality, not on quantity. Now why do I say that? In the last 1 month, he posted 2 videos. Before that, 2 videos. Before that month, also 2 videos. Now, if you see here, there is a video that has been not posted for a month and a half. When he feels that it takes time to create quality content, and if he feels that okay, he can't publish a video right now, he does not do that. For him, it's not just about creating content. It's always about creating quality content which their audience are going to love. If it means that okay, it is going to take slightly longer time, he's okay with that. And most important thing, he invests huge amount on creating the videos. So in fact, like the major part of earning that he gets from YouTube, he invests back in creating the content. So now this is something that he said in one of the interview. Let me just play this here.
I just reinvest everything I make. Like literally up till a few months ago, every time I got a paycheck, that was just like the month's budget.
You see, so he invests huge amount in creating content. Okay. As I told in this video, he's giving away $2.5 million private jet. And thus he is spending massive amount on creating a content. In fact, he is traveling to multiple countries, which is going to take a lot of time for him and also a lot of money to create that content. Again, this involves huge amount of money, right? And time as well. You could see, right? Creating this video takes around 100 days because it's a 100 days challenge. And certainly it is going to take a bit more time for the setup or the post production, whatever it could be. So he always focus on giving the best content quality. And other most important thing is he knows the right video duration that his audience really love. So that's anywhere between 15 minutes. So you could see here 15 minutes, 17 minutes, 12 minutes. So it's anywhere between 10 to 18 minutes range that he generally creates, right? So 15 minutes, 16 minutes, 13 minutes, 17 minutes, 13 minutes, right? So that's how he has been able to scale up. If you are also a content creator, let me share a little bit background about MrBeast so that you get to understand. Again, so he started his YouTube channel 10 years back where he started creating videos related to mini craft. Okay, there are a lot of videos that he created. Again, it took him roughly around 3 to 4 years to get his silver play button, right? Again, he also started creating videos about PewDiePie, right? By then, PewDiePie was also a great YouTuber by then, and MrBeast was just emerging as well, right? So a lot of content that he created related to PewDiePie. So that's how it started. And again, only after 3 to 4 years, he saw his channel growing massive. In fact, the last 5 years has been where like his channel has been growing massive. Again, if you are a person who has just started with YouTube and if you feel that, okay, you are getting less views, do not worry. That's something that happens with each and every YouTuber, no matter how famous they are right now. Okay. Certainly, you can also build amazing YouTube channel and get massive results as well. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in the next video. I believe you learned few important things from MrBeast channel case study. By the way, his name is Jimmy Donaldson, and he is roughly around 24-year-old right now. If you want me to create case study for any other famous YouTube creator, just comment below. I'm going to create a case study on that so that you can also learn from that. If you're not already subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel. Just click on this info link and watch a video from MrBeast on how exactly he has been building his content or having that high engagement on the video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.